Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. And I wanted to point out that, yes, we are looking for our reprieve bounce still. It is still in its state. Right now, we are testing into our previous day's high, and we are going to look for a little bit of a retrace from here. And our goal of today is to basically close above 21,204. Doing that would allow us to have the targets to the upside come into a more of a realistic probability. And then once we start closing above 21,200, we can look for 22,200. And if we can get that open and closed above on a daily, we can look for the 21 next. That's what I was here for the next day. 21 EMA will come down and assume that our next target testing will be around 22,200. Because in a few days I'm done, but they say EME it closes back in the price over the weekend, and we will be watching the price up until Sunday 8 p.m. to get our weekly. Anything under, let me double check on our weekly. Mind you, guys, my computer's gonna be very, very slow. I sold off it yesterday, and I had to move the battery, so now my Mac is completely lagging on everything, which is not the greatest. All right, so the weekly level we were looking for is 2,900. So we need to close Friday CME at the level, and ideally we would want to that on Sunday above that. We can look for 2,800 on Sunday at 8 p.m. Please for looking for another high again. So please do keep that in mind. All right, aside I was saying is if we have 4 hour close of 2,900, I would assume we're looking for that higher trend so far. I'm not gonna move my charts too much, guys, because this thing is going bonkers already at me. Okay, so the point I was gonna say is today it looks like we're up, but I am very suspect about the markets closing in a positive manner due to the bad news that's been out. So I think it's going to react to yesterday happened up into and basically if I was a market maker, I just don't want any positions in the market for the weekend. I'll let everyone else do whatever they're doing, and then I'll see, okay, I bet you there's too many short stack or too many long stack, and they can confirm it because they analytics to know exactly where the payments are for the old leverage traders. So they just wait for those areas to come, and then they can trade accordingly with their leverage. They don't need to have a trade in for the weekend that it's going to go right in like it. That's unnecessary. That's how we trade. But like any 4 hour open closes of this level, we can be looking at second close and buy and open close. You have this last over on the 21 May. You lose that 21 May, which is over here at 20,500. 20,550, that's the Monday or very exhausted liquidity here. So I look at it, I just try a little do. But yeah, let's assume that it's not going to sleep up and this is not going to bring it. So I don't want to say we're going to go this way or that way. All I know is right markets are full, so I step up into the open because people think that they're like them at 30 to noon, where everyone is starting to take their personal market. That is what I'm expecting. And right now, I think right now I get out area around 150, level T, which way we want to go. And I will actually take long on the retrace. If I can, I'm gonna let it run. And if it gets liquidated, it's fine. It's very low. There's low, but extremely hard to trade. So if we will, I'll make some extra profit. And if we pump all this, I get liquidated and basically say that I paid for insurance for the protection to the downside. And I even hold this on to for this one. So this does look like a accumulation that's shoulder, and it shoots out. So I'm looking for that quick move up somewhere to come back out. And this is where I'm looking for it to come all the way up to the point of control here around 23,000. So we have it put up. We might have to wait this time. That is pretty. I go to video, but this computer is working for a second. And there you go. Hey guys, really sorry. But yeah, the Bitcoin. I think I'm gonna have to skip today. Like the same one is we're following this ascend channel. With ascend channels, I'm looking for. So I look for this area right here, where all these beds are converging. And if that area gets taken out of its control, then I'll look all the way on top of my ascending channel. So click back into the 200 towers, and then that's when we take them out. You take them out here. I have my plan and levels ready. I'm ready to get shorting this. Even though I never really short, I'm just looking for the head short. And then I look for the long, my lower target. If I don't ever get my long, then I'll know next time I should have had both running. But right now, I'm just looking for a head short because I still think we're going to grind out the lows until the end of the year. Around like December. And now we can't see any chart. Excellent. Alright guys, if you are still here, you are amazing. I thank you. I am trying to make this work, but it is not along at all. Okay, here's Ethereum. Yeah, guys, so I had this MacBook for 2014, 2015, and yesterday was the day that I did everything on this laptop. So not only did I have like a two laptop that I yesterday, that's what we I ripped open everything, the board clipped out, I had to use iPhone to put everything down, put it together, and get this special computer. Alright, here's sweet. So what I did was I took a short at 152. I missed the into the 166 area. I was asleep. But I did take this test in the 153 area because 55 it does lower MB to over 166 online. Do an hourly open and close. Then I'm gonna probably get a little bit more hesitant to like just take my loss, or more probably I'll be like 1278. So right now I'm waiting to see a claim the 55. The 55 and 100 will actually ring this one, assuming because it's only one and 55 squeeze us up. Excuse me. So we have to see how this all plays out. We get 4-hour open and close above the 1166 level. We'd be highly. It's probable to test this breakdown area around 1275, and then we have to see if that's going to get converted over. If we go over, we support it around 1100, and then after 1100, I'm looking for this going back up because if we make lower lows, that's going to be gone. Right now, it's an ascending channel, but on ascending channel, I'm only looking. I shorted here, right here on Ethereum. I'm not even gonna lie, I got that yesterday. Looking for the right. I got stopped out once, and I think it was on this first move. Okay, I got stopped out because I shorted the 21 as well. I got stopped out here, waited for it to touch the top of the Bollinger Band. I shorted it. Took some profit, got stopped out. I shorted it again, took some profit, got stopped out like an hour later or a few hours later. Shorted it again, and then I got just stopped out in the morning, and then I shorted it again. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm looking at. I wish I would try that. This computer's not doing great. But yeah, that's the plan today. If we get into resistance, we're looking for those higher levels. Oh, there we go. We're looking for the higher levels around 1200 if we can claim on here. If we can get around here, okay, 1160, and we'll put it 1180. Once we go 1180, next we'll be going to be like boring. Okay, if we come back down, we lose it a little bit, then I'm looking for some So let's see what happens. That's Bitcoin and Ethereum for you guys. Thank you for being so patient with me. I know this computer situation is going to be extremely annoying the next few days because I don't have where to go, so I don't know what I'm going to do about getting a replacement, and I can't even afford that right now. Okay, so we're just going to wait. And yeah, aside from that, guys, I hope you guys have a good weekend. I'm going to be doing some fishing. I'm excited. Aside from that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the button for notifications so you get these real-time updates. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the section below of any assets you also would like to cover. I'll do that. And then if you have any real-time urgency, please feel free to go to the descriptions in the video, and you will find the Discord group where all